Hey, it's Joe Glides. In this video on AutoHotkey Studio, I want to demonstrate one of the things I love about Studio is the auto completion of like matching braces and brackets and whatever. So you throw in some braces, right, or parens. Let's do a quote. Hi there. Also, let's say that you had forgotten to do that. I want this in quotes. I can highlight it, hit my double quotes, or I can then hit one bracket and it keeps matching them for you, which I think is really awesome, very intuitive. What I didn't realize was that there's a hotkey built into it, which of course you can assign to different thing, but it's Control-Shift-Delete. If you're on here and notice it's showing which is the matching thing, and I'm going to hold down Control-Shift and hit Delete, and notice it removes the matching values. It doesn't do it with the double quotes, by the way, so those you have to go through and do manually. But here, I can be on here and Control-Shift-Delete, and there they go. So the one thing I'd say is to hit Alt-M and say like matching brace, and this delete matching brace. No, there we go. This is a setting, disable matching brace, highlight on delete. So you can enable or disable it. So I think you want it disabled, so it's one of those weird ones. It's a double negative, I think. But just make sure if it's not working the way you think, you want that. The other one though is you can look. There's so that's the Control-Shift-Delete, which is what I'm doing. But highlight to matching brace. So Control-Alt-M. So let's see how that works. Let's have some stuff in here. Move that up here. What was it? Control-Alt-M. Control-Alt-M. Oh. Control-Alt-M. No. Matching brace. Control-Alt-M. Okay, that's what I'm hitting. Okay, well, I don't understand what's up with that. Let me highlight that and then Control-Alt-M. Oh, okay, I don't know. But otherwise, you get the idea there that Control-Shift-Delete will match and unmatch the braces. And again, it's so easy to... the only thing for me that I had to get used to was when I would do a double quote, I would try to type the second one as well, and it took me a while to get used to realizing it's going to automatically be there. So I hope that helps. Cheers.